Hi everybody, well today we're going to have a go at making a mug cake. So before I start, I've made sure that my hair is fastened back and my hands are nice and clean. To make your mug cake, you'll need 4 tablespoons of self-raising flour, 4 tablespoons of caster sugar, 1 egg, 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder if you want a chocolatey cake, 3 tablespoons of milk, 3 tablespoons of vegetable or sunflower oil, and a few chocolate chips if you have them, and 1 very large mug. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is measure out each of our ingredients. We're going to need 4 tablespoons of self-raising flour. I've got to make sure that those are nice and level. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4 tablespoons. Okay, you need 4 tablespoons of caster sugar. Again, nice and level. 1, 2, 3, 4. Because I want a chocolatey one, I'm going to put 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder, but you don't have to have a chocolate one. You can have a vanilla one and add fruit to it. So I've got 1 and 2. There we go. Right, next we're going to add a medium-sized egg. Okay, so quite tricky this sometimes. Make sure you pop your thumb through so you're not getting lots of shell in your mixture. Okay, and then stir it up with a spoon. Okay, lovely. So you're not going to incorporate all the ingredients there, but enough of them to make a mix. Right, so next thing we do, 3 tablespoons of milk. I'm using semi-skimmed. 3, you can use full fat if you want to. And 3 tablespoons of either vegetable oil or sunflower oil. And 3, wonderful. And again, mix that up. Nice, good mix, getting all those lumps out. Lovely, no lumps in there. Finally, and again this is totally up to you, you can add some chocolate chips, or if you want some fruit, strawberries, raspberries, you can have some raisins to make like a currant, raisins and currants. Okay, so there you're done. That's your mix all mixed up, and now you pop it into the microwave for about 2 minutes. Okay, so the microwave just pinged to tell me that my mug cake is ready. So I've got to check that it's cooked in the middle. So I'll get a knife and I poke my mug cake in the middle, and if the knife comes out clean, that means it's cooked. So it's ready to eat now. I like chocolate, so I'm going to add a little bit of chocolate ice cream to mine, but you can put some frosting or Nutella on top, or some peanut butter, anything you like. I hope you enjoy the mug cake you make, and I'd like you to blog me and tell me how it went, and if you and your family enjoyed making the mug cake. I'll see you soon, and enjoy your work. Stay safe. Bye.